Riley's having lunch. Yeah?
Mom.
Mom what? Mom what? Yogurt? Look at that long brown hair. Here you go. Can you say hi? Can you wave hi to everyone? Yeah. Can you wave hi? Say hi. Hi, everyone. Oh, puffs. Crunch. Hi. 2 hands high, huh? 2 hands saying hi. What a big girl. Can you say Dada? Huh? Can you say Dada? Tap, tap. Or Mama? What?
Okay.
Yeah?
Mom.
You're so silly. You want more? Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi. What do you want to do this afternoon? Should we just walk all day? Walk, walk, walk? I know that's what you want to do. Huh. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.